We have a Dodge Durango for you today. Lights are in need of a headlight restoration. Not too bad. They were a little weathered, a little worse for wear. Hazing up yellow in the corners, white straight away. Same with the other side. The other side wasn't as bad as the passenger side, but it was still beat up just a little bit. The sides were bad. And of course, when we're done with them, look how great they look. If you're in South Florida, Miami-Dade County, Broward County, Palm Beach County, give us a call. We're 100% mobile. We come to your home, office, place of work. Just text us your pictures and we'll give you an estimate. 754-302-0769. Text us today. 754-302-0769. Thank you.